No, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Alright mfowethu. Alright mfowethu. Ungathi ufuna ukukhuluma nami.
Wansimfethu wakho wena.
Mfowethu.
Angisimfethu wakho wena.
Angithanga mfowethu. Listen. I didn't say mfowethu wakho. Ngithe mfowethu. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend, eh?
Why are you cheating? Because you're supposed to tell this girl that you have someone. Listen.
Even if I'm cheating, even if I have 1,000 girlfriends, that's none of your business.
Yeah, but why didn't you just man up and say, I have a new girlfriend, so that you don't waste her time? Because mine said you wasted her time. And the other problem when I was 70 condom, so you are busy with these girls and you don't use condoms. I wonder that's wrong.
You have to take care of yourself out.
You must take care of yourself. You must take responsibility.
I'll check in the status.
Self-control.
Ngizoba nayo kanjani ngazi ukuthi umuntu wami kantoni ubhizi uyafeba la ngaphandle ugijimisa isendele imnyama sifebe ngijwayela amasimba wena hayi take hamba kuprecious wakho
hayi wena
mana ini ngimaneleni.
Should we hang up?
Yeah, I'm drop. Angisafuna ukukhuluma. Ubuzolanda into zakho akufunde.
Mfethu, you can bye, you can go focus on your relationship and everything, start a new life. Everything this side is done. It's the end of it. Oh, so Mauthi wenza le earthquake hani uye uyenzayo?
How good.
Yo.
Yazi siyawahlalela amasimba la ngaphandle.
And we're busy wakuchithela. Maybe when he was just using you as a side now. No longer a main.
Cabang. It's fine. Maybe precious vele umnika ngcono ukudlula mina. But one thing I know uzobuya vele uzozibuyela futhi.
Bafethu changing amagear. If you can change amagear, at least it was automatic bafethu like come on guys. And the worst part in your cheater, you go around exposing your weaknesses. My sister.
Good.
All right.
Right vele like I believe but it's fine. Ayikho into engizoyenza mabe ngasakungifuna bangifuni. Ngeke phela umlandelele umuntu emuva.